Profesa Kithure Kindiki Niwe Ukwikwatiw'a Kwoseleela Mwanya wa Munini wa Musumbi Itina wa Musumbi William Ruto Kunengane Isyitwa Yake Mbungeni Nene Yivitukithwe ni Ambunge alakwa Namba Nene Meetikilana na Isyitwa Nthini wa Kikalo kimwana kila Kyatwaiiw'a kwi Umunthi Kindiki Niwe mundu wambe kuma kisioni cha Mount Kenya East Ukwikwatiw'a mwana tau Mwanya ula Kwoseleela Itina wa Rigathi Gachagua kunguthula kumwa ofisini Onesimus Chalo na mauvo.
I, Kithure Kindiki.
Profesa Kithure Kindiki niwe Mwoloote ne President William Ruto kutwika munini wake vale sito yake anengono Mbungeni kunenaniswa kihini kuma na bunge ya Senate kunguthula ulai munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua. Kithure Kindiki isito yake niyo ya kimanguka sia movo Itina wa Musumbi kwendewe ni wembe wa masito angi alama kwendeketheswa Mwanya ni usu wa munini wa Musumbi ivo lea Didi Nyoro Musalia Mudavadi Ana Waiguru Irungu Kang'ata Gladys Wanga na Kimani Ichung'wah.
Do swear that I will at all times be faithful to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect and uphold this Constitution of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya.
Kithure Kindiki Isyitwa yake asukuma Mbungeni Nene na kunenaniswa balana ya Mbunge Nene Yivitukithwe minister wa Kwoseleela Nthini Profesa Kithure Kindiki kutwika munini wa President ayumbe maana eli miongo 3 makuna kula kwa Yivitukithwe Profesa Kithure Kindiki kutwika munini wa Musumbi.
Our members, the vote on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is as follows. Abstentions nil, noes nil, ayes 236. Present and voting, as we had advised you earlier, the vote is overwhelmingly yes. So the nomination is herewith declared passed by the House, and the Speaker will transmit the results to the President, and the Speaker will also sign a Gazette notice to this effect, that the nominee for Deputy President has been duly voted by the House and approved. Approval is not applicable here. Has been voted by the House and therefore will transmit to the appointing authority to proceed with the appointment.
Itina Ambunge kuvetukithya Profesa Kithure Kindiki na yokoti ya yule yumio tuyo wa kuungamia seso yonthe ya kuvetukithya munini ungi wa President ngimekwani ila ikiwe iko ni ula munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ithukiswa matuko 24 mamwe 10 mwaka uu une kwana na valua wa koti ula ungamitie seso muvaka matuko asu 24 mamwe uu Profesa Kithure Kindiki kwatwa kwetelo twa wa koti no kana kuosa ofisi usumwe uu kana Rigathi Gachagua asiyokiri ofisini kwisilo sindi wa koti.
So help me God.
Ethiwa Kithure Kindiki no kukwata efiso ya kuosa ofisi usumwe wa munini wa President kwatwa kwetelianisa President kuvanga mibango ya serikali vamana kutongwa Kikalo sia serikali ila Musumbi utevo kana kutumwa ni Musumbi uthukumini wa serikali tidi vota Blingwa Muvo Matongo TV. Onesimus Chalo.